Hello and welcome back to Vcode CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. Once again we are back with another topic in Python programming. So today's topic is going to be on Python list. So Python list, okay. So basically I will be giving a code based on Python list and you just need to find the output of that. So today's code will be sample list, and that is equals to a set of list that is 50, 100, 150, 200 and 250. Okay, this is a list, and then carried by sample list dot append 300, and then I just want the value of that sample list. Yeah, and carried by sample list dot append len list. Yeah, and print the value of sample list once again. Okay, basically this is today's code. Just pause the video and verify what result you're gonna get here. So I'm running the code. Yeah, look at here, we got the answer, right? Yeah, I'll be explaining you now. Yeah, so we have given a sample list here, that is 50, 100, 150, 200 and 250. So as you guys know that a list is mutable, or list is mutable, right? That means it is changeable. List is mutable and it is changeable, so we can change whatever we want in list. Okay, so I just want to add another element called 300. Okay, I just want to add another element 300 at the end of this list, so I use append. What does this append function do is it will be adding the element given by the user into the list. So I just given the command that append or add this 300 element in the sample list. So when it comes here, I have given the command to print the value of sample list. So I'll be getting the list like this. I'll be pasting it here, so I'll be getting the list like this. So this is the new sample list. Okay, so this is basically the new sample list. So the code one part of the code is completed here. So let's move to the another part. So here we have written another append function. So what we have given command inside this, so basically let's first concentrate on this length of the sample list. So as I said, once again I'm repeating that list is a mutable thing. So we can find length, we can find range, we can do indexing, we can append, we can remove elements from that, we can sort, and we can do whatever we want from the list. Okay, so I just want to find the length of that sample list. So the new, what is the new list? This is right. So I just want to find the length of that. So basically let's find the length. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6. So basically the length is 6, right? So that's what we got. Okay, I'll explain you that afterwards. Instead of explaining like this, I'll explain you in another manner. Just give me a second. Yeah, I'll just add the length keyword here, and I'll just print it now. You'll be seeing 6. Okay, yeah, well, I'll just delete this once, otherwise you'll be getting confused. Yeah, see, the length of that sample in the sample list is 6, because this 50 is 1, 100 is 2, 150 is 3, 200 is 4, 250 is 5, 300 is 6. So basically total this consists of 6 elements, so length would be 6. Okay, so yeah, basically this length is 6, right? So let us remove that and just let's add 6 because length of that sample list is 6, right? So that's why I have added 6 here. So now come here, this is as it is like this, right? Instead of 300 we have written 6 here. So as we have commanded to append 6, we'll be getting that in the output. Here I'll write it here, length of sample list is 6. Okay, so length of sample list is 6. That means you can either write length of sample 6 or you just remove that and write 6 there. And we have given command that sample list dot append length of sample list. So roughly we can say that sample list dot append 6. So if I run this code, you'll be just, I'll remove this, I'll delete this and I'll run this again. See, we got 6 in that because we are commanding that to append the length of sample list. Then that length of sample list is 6, so that indirectly we are saying that we need to append the value 6 in the new sample list element. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. That's all about this code, and it's a small logical one. And thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Thank you.